Hey there, I wanted to talk about how to use the where clause in SQL. So I'm here in pgadmin and we have this table here for um, customer. This is actually, going into here. This is the table I'm using so we don't have to get confused, but you can see where I get all the results here. But if I want to get something that is just, for example, if I want to get the rows where I filter only by a specific last name, for example, I can use this where clause and I'll say where, and I'm going to use single quotes to say Smith, for example. And oh, forgot to use the last name equals Smith, and then I'll get only those rows back where we get the last name of Smith. So also if I can highlight and just run this again, we can do this basically by um, any value in any of these cells. So I could I could do it by first name as well. We could try first name, see if we can get a result where we have multiple rows. Um, I don't know. Let's just try store ID. Store ID where store ID is equal to one, or this is just going to be a number. So here we're going to get filtered by all of the results where the store ID is equal to one. We do the same for two, and you'll see we'll get some slightly different results there. So yeah, that's basically a quick summary of how you can use the where clause in SQL.